Make a great choice today with the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.